What's up, guys? Here's your Dawn Marathon back again, and today unboxing video of my reordered Bluetooth headphones. I've ordered myself another pair, and I hope that this pair is really compatible with the Garmin Fenix 5S Plus, because the other ones were not. So these are €25.99, the MPOW Flow 2 wireless earphones. And my son is excited again. Really have to be patient to open this, because it's so hard to operate with one hand while recording, and on the other hand having a completely impatient son on my side who just can't wait to see some action. Well, here's the action. The action is this box. So let's get him. You also have to be a bit patient this time. So here they are. Wireless MPOW. So let's see. The MPOW Empire. Oh yes, nice casing. Whoops. Here we got them. Oh yeah. Oh yes. Some rechargeable USB cable and some spare pads for the earlobes. However, here we go. It has a slight rubber band for the back of my neck, just in case they ever get to drop out of my ears. They will simply keep on hanging on the back of my neck. So here we go. It's the right one. Monster police car. I am police car. Yeah, here they are. So they are clapped around my ear, and I hope they will not drop out, because I used to have difficulties in the past with these kind of earphones, because they do not fit into both of my ear holes, because they are slightly different. So now I'm trying to switch it on. Yeah, if I only knew where to switch it on, because I do not know where to switch them on. Yep, power on. Yeah, now they are on, and now I'm trying to pair it with my watch. So here we go with the monster police car. So here we go. So let's do this. Connect now, and I hope that it works. So we have to pair these phones, Tony, and I just have to pray. MPOW Flame. Select to add. Yeah, connecting to MPOW Flame 2, baby, it's connected, baby. Now I try to push the music button, and it works. Zenga, it works. Listen, it works. Yeah, this is it for now, my friends. The next thing to follow is, of course, my review of the Garmin 5S Plus, and on the other hand, these headphones may be a short review, because it's not that special kind of gadget. And after that, I'm gonna make a review on the data field which I'm using right now for the Garmin 5S Plus. Peace out, your dawn marathons.
Bye bye.